All right, down here in 1 and 2, I kind of changed directions a little bit. Instead of, I mean, there's still a hole down here. I mean, there's a hole down here you could sink a dang Greyhound bus in. But I don't know if you can see it, but I moved a lot of it out of there up there at the top, and I put some more banking in. I still got to move some of this down right here because I'm gonna flatten this out down here. Y'all are running down here, coming down the front straightaway, and it's pretty simple to come down here because it's banked, and then you just turn it to the left and rock it off the corner. Well, that's not gonna happen. Y'all are gonna have to learn how to use the Robbie Sawyer line up here, the Jake Pike line, the Ricky Childress line, and that's all. I got a lot of that out of there, that shelf, a bunch of it, a ton of it. It's rolling, it's just rolling here a little bit right here, and it had, I know it was rutted pretty good right through here. Which I expected it. I mean, to tell you the truth, it's so much downhill down here that the water comes off that hill and it runs down here and it sets down here, and it sits down here in this hole down here. I got a lot of it out. I'd like to take that down, that shiny spot, with my hands in the way, that shiny spot down there, so whatever water comes down here, it'll get off. It'll go down into the infield. That's my ultimate goal, but that's dirt right there. So, but this raced pretty good this weekend. So this is going to be flat right here. But see right there, I'm already getting thin, which sucks. So I'm gonna have to try to pull this down, see how much is up there. There's supposed to be a foot. There's no foot up there, and it's not. You can see it right there, as a matter of fact. It's starting to poke through, just like that, poking through, to flatten this out right here. And if you can see, I changed my mind what I was gonna do here. I'm gonna go ahead and raise that up right there against that crash wall. It's gonna have to be a give and take kind of a thing. If you guys remember, that was really humped up right there, and it was super flat up there at the top. Right there where that, underneath that blue section where the light is, you know, out here in the middle, it's super thin right there, and I can't really, I wanted to cut that way down, but it's too thin. Unless underneath there's a big hump there, and that could be too, and I might just, when I get this balanced out the way, kind of where I want it, I just take a chance and gut it all out and see what happens. But yeah, so it raced pretty good. You guys put it on a good show. I'm working on it. Don't give up on me. I'll get it. All right.